You're holding a pack of beef jerky. You tear open the packaging. The smoky aroma of grilled meat fills the air. A piece of jerky, tender yet chewy, with a smoky flavor, melts in your mouth. But did you know, behind this small piece of meat lies a long journey? From green pastures to processing factories, from secret recipes to modern technology. This is the story of beef jerky, the snack for explorers, athletes, and busy people like you and me. The story of beef jerky dates back centuries. The Inca people of South America pioneered meat preservation by slicing it thin and drying it under the sun, calling it charqui, meaning dried meat, the root of the word jerky. When European settlers arrived in the Americas in the 15th century, they adopted this method, refining it into the jerky we know today. Not all meat can become beef jerky. Producers select lean cuts like top round or sirloin tip, as fat spoils quickly and shortens shelf life. Lean meat ensures a longer-lasting, high-quality snack. The beef often comes from grass-fed or organic grain-fed cattle, yielding firm, naturally sweet meat with a balanced flavor. This careful selection and handling process guarantees that the final product isn't just a snack, but a testament to quality and craftsmanship. After slaughter, the meat is immediately chilled to preserve freshness and transported to the factory within 24 hours, maintaining its quality. Turning raw beef into jerky is a multi-step process that blends tradition with modern technology, ensuring the perfect texture, flavor, and shelf life. Let's dive into the journey. The process starts with slicing the beef into strips, typically 4 to 6 millimeters thick. The thickness and cut direction, with or against the grain, are critical. Cutting against the grain makes the jerky more tender, while cutting with the grain results in a chewier texture, a choice that varies by brand. Next is marination, the heart of jerky production. Each brand has a secret recipe defining its unique taste. Some use a classic mix of soy sauce, honey, and Worcestershire sauce for a sweet, salty balance. The meat marinates for 8 to 24 hours, allowing the flavors to penetrate deeply. Some producers use vacuum tumblers to massage the marinade into the meat, ensuring even absorption. This step also adds salt and preservatives, aiding the drying process and extending shelf life. The marinated strips are then dried and smoked. They're placed on racks in a sealed chamber at 70 to 80 degrees Celsius, where low heat dehydrates the meat without cooking it, preserving its nutrients while removing moisture to prevent bacterial growth. Many producers use natural wood for smoking, apple wood for a mild, fruity note, or hickory for a robust smokiness. This process takes 6 to 12 hours, reducing the meat's weight by half as moisture evaporates, concentrating its flavors and creating that signature chewiness. Finally, the jerky undergoes rigorous testing. Moisture levels are checked, typically below 15%. Microbiological tests confirm safety from bacteria like E. coli. To preserve the jerky without refrigeration, packed in vacuum-sealed bags to remove air, paired with moisture-absorbing packets, and sometimes injected with nitrogen gas to prevent oxidation. These steps ensure your jerky stays fresh and flavorful for months. Dried meat isn't unique to the Americas, though. In South Africa, it's biltong, spiced with coriander. In China, bak kwa is a sweet grilled version. Korea has yukpo, often made with beef or venison. But American-style beef jerky, with its sweet, salty balance, light chewiness, and smoky aroma, has become a global icon, loved by snackers worldwide for its rugged on-the-go appeal. The beef jerky market is diverse, with brands offering unique flavors and styles to stand out. Let's explore some of the top names dominating the industry. Jack Link's, often called the king of beef jerky, hails from Wisconsin and has been a leader since the 1980s. This family-owned brand sells in over 40 countries, offering flavors like original, teriyaki, and flamin' buffalo. Jack Link's uses high-quality beef and a slow-cooking process to lock in flavor, and their playful Sasquatch mascot has made them a fan favorite among adventurers and snackers, appealing to a wide audience. Old Trapper, founded in Oregon in 1969, channels a Western cowboy vibe. Known for larger, thicker slices and a strong, smoky flavor, they use real hickory wood for smoking. Flavors like old-fashioned and peppered cater to those who love a hearty, traditional jerky. Their packaging, often featuring cowboy imagery, evokes the American West, making it a go-to for those seeking a rugged, smoky bite. Crave offers a healthier twist, launched in 2009 for gym-goers and clean eaters. Using organic grass-fed beef, Crave avoids artificial preservatives and opts for gourmet flavors like black cherry barbecue and chili lime. Their jerky is less salty and more tender than traditional options, appealing to those who want a nutritious snack without sacrificing taste. Epic Provisions, founded in 2013, takes jerky beyond beef, offering varieties made from venison, chicken, and salmon. Focused on sustainability, they source from pasture-raised animals and use whole animal practices to reduce waste. Epic's ethical approach and bold flavors make it a favorite. Don't think of jerky as just a snack. It's high in protein, low in fat, and incredibly convenient. A 50-gram pack of jerky can contain up to 25 grams of protein, equivalent to a serving of boiled chicken breast. It's perfect for gym goers and those on a diet, busy office workers, hikers, trekkers, and mountain climbers, and even people who love snacking but don't want to gain weight. A small piece of meat, but it holds a big story. A slice of jerky, the culmination of history, technology, and the spirit of exploration. The next time you open a pack of beef jerky, remember it's not just a snack, it's part of a culinary journey, from the fields to your hands. Beef jerky, the taste of meat, the taste of time.